This is the money maker, and it is a 3-reed batwing. You will always find this call on me when I'm in the spring turkey woods. I like it a lot because it's a little raspier than some other calls I use. You get a little more realism out of that, but I really like it for the softer calls that you can do. Soft kikis, soft yelps, clucks, purrs, that kind of thing. I might start out with like a done deal or something when a turkey is a few hundred yards away, but I always switch to this when he's closing the distance, trying to get him to come that last little bit before he gets in a shotgun range. And so I'll give you a little bit of what I like the most about it. And that is the money maker.